Hey guys, welcome back to Destiny's World.
Welcome.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to know how to make this salad, stay tuned. First, you need to take your chicken and wash it. Then you're going to have panko breadcrumbs and flour. And you're going to pick all your seasonings, onion, garlic, black pepper, season all. Then you're going to season your chicken. Then you're going to put it in an egg. You're going to dip it in the egg batter. Then you're going to dip it in dry flour. Seasoned flour. Don't forget to season your flour. Season your chicken and your flour. And you're going to dab it in the flour like that. Then you're going to go back in the egg and put it in the egg. And then you're going to dab it in the panko breadcrumbs. You're going to do that. Just like that. And flip it over like that. And put it in the panko breadcrumbs next. And then you have well crusted chicken. Oh, don't let it drop. You're gonna have well crusted chicken. Just like that. It's gonna be crusty. Crusty. Okay, so after you get it real crusty, your chicken crusty, you can also use seasoned panko breadcrumbs. So we're gonna dip it in a you're gonna dip it in the deep fryer like that, and put the fryer on to about 325.
Heat up here.
350. No. Then it's gonna come out like that with crust and looking good. Yes. Then you're gonna take your salad of your choice, and your salad dressing. And then voila, you have a chicken salad. You can add any toppings, pico de gallo, avocado, anything you want on it. Thanks for watching.